Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you guys are all doing well. I'm feeling so much better. I finally have my voice back, and yeah, I just got really sick right after Fashion Week, so I could not really sit down to film any videos. So I'm really sorry for the lack of them. And I'm so excited to finally be sitting down and doing a video for you guys and to be able to sit down and chat with you. I kind of did this really nice relaxing routine for myself, just really pampered myself, and it's always nice to introduce you guys to newer brands and brands that you might not have tried and that are amazing and I want you guys to try. So today's video I am actually going to talk about some PureSense products that I've used for this really relaxing pamper routine, which I needed really badly and I absolutely loved. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this product first, the PureSense Relaxing Macadamia Hydrating Body Cleansing Butter. This is so thick, so creamy. The texture and the consistency of this is beautiful, and I think this would be perfect for anyone who suffers from really dry skin, and the best product to use during the colder months, especially if your skin gets really dry, really dehydrated. This would be great to use instead of a regular shower gel. So when you first see it, you would actually think that this is a body butter because the consistency is so similar to a body butter, but you only have to use this in the shower. You take a little bit of it and apply it onto the wet loofah. Make sure you lather up the loofah very well. I was very happy with the amount of lather that this created. Usually with creamy shower butters, the lather does not foam up as much, and I had this weird thing in which I feel like if the shower gel hasn't lathered up as much, I don't feel as clean. And usually with creamy shower gels, they don't really foam up, but this one foams up very well, so it's actually very satisfying to take a shower with this, and it leaves a nice layer of moisture on your skin even after you've washed it off. So another thing that I wanted to talk about is the packaging of this brand. It is so beautiful. I actually really like the wooden finish in the covers that they have, and this is from the Macadamia range. They smell very similar. The smell actually is so calming. It's very relaxing. It smells very earthy and very nutty, and it's very comforting. So the next product is actually something that I'm super excited to share with you guys, and I think you would really like this. This is the PureSense Relaxing Macadamia Hand-Poured Body Massage Candle. I was so intrigued when I first got this. I was super excited to try this. So what you do is just light up the candle and then you let the wax melt. Once the wax is properly melted, you take a little bit of it. It comes with a spatula. You scoop up a little bit of it and take it on your palms. Massage it really well between your palms. You can spread it evenly on your legs, on your hands, wherever you feel like you need a massage. You can do this on someone else. You can give someone a really nice back rub using this. The consistency of the wax is very creamy. It's very smooth. The texture is slightly oily, so you will feel a little sticky. So I wouldn't recommend doing this before you have to head out, obviously, because you don't want the oil transferred into your clothes or anything. And this smells very similar to the shower butter. It is very comforting, very relaxing, and it penetrates into your skin very easily. So this would be a really nice product to use with your significant other, or if you want to gift someone something. I think this would be a really nice gift. Yeah, so this is really unique and I think the ideal pamper time product, and I found it really nice. The next product is again from their relaxing range, and this is the Macadamia Deep Moisturizing Body Oil. I think the packaging again is beautiful. You can see petals inside through the glass, and yeah, it just smells amazing. Again, smells very nutty. What I loved about this oil is how non-sticky it is and how easy it is to spread on your legs, on your arms. And if you're someone like me who gets really annoyed or who almost always forgets to moisturize after a shower or moisturize every day, I think something like this is great to spread on your body very evenly, very quickly. If you are running out, you can even carry this along with you and spray it wherever you think you're getting really dry. I would love to use this, especially if I'm heading out for a night out and I'm wearing a dress and I really want my legs to look nice, or if I'm taking pictures and I want my leg to look very nice and shiny. This would be again ideal for that. And this also penetrates very easily into your skin, and it leaves the right amount of hydration, and you do not feel very sticky or anything on your legs afterwards. So you can wear your jeans, you can wear your leggings, and you can just go about your day. I would highly recommend this if you have very dry skin all over your body. Even though my face is really oily, my body, like the rest of my body, is super duper dry. So this is something which is amazing. I love any form of body oil, especially when it comes in the spray form, because they are so handy and so useful. And I would want you to try this out. It's very nice. Last but not the least, I've actually kept my favorite product for the end, and this is something that I was looking forward to the most. If you guys have been watching me for the longest time, I have spoken about like sleeping sprays before, and along with the candle, this is again something that I was very excited about. So this is the Macadamia Tranquil Sleep Spray. I have used sleep spray in the past, but that's something I used on myself, like on my body. But this is something that you use on your bed. You use it on your pillow. You just spray a little bit of this wherever you sleep. You can spray it on your linens. You can spray it on your pillow, on your blanket, just a few moments before you are going to fall asleep. It just has a very relaxing aroma. This is quite stronger than the rest of the products. It smells quite similar to the shower butter and the candle, but I think this is much more concentrated. It actually puts you in a very relaxed state of mind. Now, I'm someone who has very irregular sleep pattern. If you guys follow me on social media, you'd see that I'm awake at really weird times, and my friends actually message me at 3 a.m. and they find that I'm awake and they can't actually reach me at 10 a.m. So yeah, I have really weird sleep patterns, and I've been trying long and hard to get it corrected, to get it a little bit more disciplined. Yeah, and this certainly has helped. It can be a little strong, so if you're someone who's very sensitive to fragrances, do not spray as much. So this puts you in this very relaxed state of mind. I think aromatherapy really works, and once your surrounding is very relaxing and calm and you set your room to the perfect temperature, I think it's just very easy to fall asleep. So yeah, those were all of the products. I am going to link all of them down below. You can find them on Nykaa. Let me know if you guys have used any PureSense products. I remember using their goat milk soap as well, but I've completely finished using it. I really enjoyed it. I wish I had it here as well. I think I remember talking about it in some older videos, or I might have skipped it. I don't know, but I have used their goat milk soap, which was really nice for the body, and it smelled amazing. So yeah, that's all that I have. Thank you so much for watching, and you guys have been really patient and so sweet and supportive. You guys have always been such a great support system, and it's just so nice to be back here and making videos. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and don't forget to hit on the bell icon so that you know every time I put up a new video. And that's it. Thank you so much. I'll see you super soon. Bye.